the green field at early dawn, I hear a sound, it goes on and on. It's loud, it's soft, it's all around. Who is making that sound? Who makes that sound? Listen well. Moo, moo, it's the cow in the field, as you can tell. Who makes that sound? Guess with me. Cock-a-doodle-doo, it's the rooster saying good morning, you. By the stream, near the old water mill, a little jump, then a splash so still. At night they sing, by day they play. Who is calling today? Who makes that sound? Listen well. Ribbit, ribbit, it's the frog by the stream, can't you tell? Who makes that sound? Guess with me. Meow, meow, it's the kitten saying come and play with me. In the tall tree, a song so sweet, a tiny bird with a voice so neat. It sings with joy, a happy tune. Who is singing this noon? Who makes that sound? Listen well. Tweet, tweet, it's the bird greeting morning light so sweet. Who makes that sound? Guess with me. Woof, woof, it's the puppy barking happy